Hey guys, it's Bryant with and today I got some mail to open. All right. This is a Scottie Young Big Marvel collection pre-buy that I did for all the Big Marvel Scottie Young books that he did this summer. I bought these from the Comic Corner. I actually got 3 sets of them. I am going to try to resell a couple of them. But I got these. So they came in the mail today. The box weighs over 11 pounds. I'm going to open that for you. But before I do that, please take a moment to like this video, comment on the books that I'm about to show you. Let me know if you haven't seen them already. Let me know if you have. Just let me know. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, check out the Comic Corner. They got a lot of great stuff. Yeah, Comic Corner. Also, please check out the sponsor of my channel, Ron's Comic Closet. If you use the code I have issues at checkout, you'll get 20% off your first purchase. So please check him out. Please check Ron's Comic Closet out. Please check out the Comic Corner. And yeah, let's get into it. Really like the tape that they got. Very cool. All right, so let's see what we got. And these are all Scottie Youngs from the Big Marvels. Got X-Men issue number 35, variant or Legacy 700 issue. Very cool. Avengers issue number 15. Black Panther Legacy issue 781. And I did get 3 sets of these. Doctor Strange issue number 16. Legacy 442. Fantastic. Fantastic Four, number 21, Legacy issue 714. Very cool thing. Cover right there. These are a lot of fun. Wolverine Blood Hunt tie-in, issue number 1. Very cool. Let's see the next one we got here. Venom 34. Venom 34. Legacy issue 234. Spider-Boy number 8. Yep. Captain Marvel issue number 9. Legacy 193. Ghost Rider Final Vengeance issue number 4. Legacy 268. And put one more up there. Incredible Hulk number 13, Legacy 794. Very fun. Incredible Hulk. That right there. And this was his big Marvel run. Captain America 10, Legacy 760. Very cool. Please let me know what y'all think of these. X-Men Jubilee number 1 with Jean Grey on there. Amazing Spider-Man 51. Amazing Spider-Man 51, Legacy 945. Carnage, issue number 8. Even though he's a psychopathic murderer, still looks pretty cool as a Skottie Young variant there, or a Skottie Young cover. This is Legacy issue 38. Miles Morales Spider-Man, issue number 21, Legacy 303. All right, here's Giant Size Little Marvels, issue number 1. Cool, got Ant-Man, Nightcrawler, Storm, and Jane Foster Thor on there. Very cool. Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider, issue number 3. Legacy issue 63. Immortal Thor, issue number 12. Legacy issue 773. And Scarlet Witch number 1. Yep, Scarlet Witch number 1. It does not have a legacy issue there. Invincible Iron Man, issue number 19. Legacy 669. I already showed you this one. I saw a couple up here that you hadn't seen. All right, got Amazing Spider-Man, issue number 52 with Spider-Punk on the cover. This is Legacy 946. Like I said, I did get 3 sets of these, so kind of just pack them all together, I'm sure. I ordered these back in March, and it took between now and the end of July for all of them to come out and be released. All right, we got Vengeance of Moon Knight number 6 in this. Yep, Vengeance of Moon Knight issue number 6. Black Widow and Hawkeye issue number 4. Jackpot and Black Cat issue number 4. Mary Jane on the cover. X-Men 97 issue number 4 with Storm on the cover. Thanos Annual 1. That's a lot of fun. All right. Midnight Suns number 2 of 3. Cool blade. And Daredevil number 10. Legacy 672. Right. I guess let me go through the next box. We can see if there's any in there that I haven't shown you yet. I showed you that one. I think Ghost Spider or Spider-Gwen Ghost Spider number 3. I think I showed you that one. There's the Daredevil. Thor. All right, well, these are all the ones. I think there was 33 books altogether out of this Skottie Young big Marvel collection from the summer. So these are, I picked up 3 sets of these books. Like I said, I'm going to sell some of these on Whatnot and or eBay, so please check out that. You can find me on both of those under I Have Comic Issues. So please do that if you're interested in that. Just keep me on the lookout, or keep on the lookout for me, and you'll see them up there. So just wanted to show these to you. I think they're pretty cool. I think they're a lot of fun. So yeah, please let me know what you think. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, my name is Bryant, and this is And I'll see you in the next video, and have a good one.